I'm Mary Lou Proudfoot for Investmentpitch Media. Platinex Inc. has closed its acquisition of a 100% ownership interest in the W2 copper-nickel-PGE project in northwestern Ontario. The W2 project controls one of the major Oxford Stull Dome complexes and includes over 5 kilometers of strike length of known copper-nickel-PGE mineralization with a large 9,134 hectare land package located near the Ring of Fire. The W2 project is transected by a major transcrustal structure, the Stull Fault Zone, which extends easterly for more than 600 kilometers from God's Lake in Manitoba to the Ring of Fire in Ontario, and hosts several gold deposits and prospects, including Yamana Gold's Monument Bay, Twin Lakes deposit in Manitoba, and Northern Superior's TPK Gold prospect located just west of W2. The W2 project covers 70% of the layered mafic ultramafic Lansdowne House igneous complex, which is highly prospective for copper-nickel and reef-type PGE deposits. The widespread copper-nickel-PGE mineralization is delineated in at least 7 significant mineralized zones within a 7.5-kilometer long-folded corridor. Historical exploration was carried out at W2, formerly known as the Lansdowne House property, by operators including Aurora Platinum Corp. During the 2000s and Inco Limited. Approximately $5 million in historic exploration expenditures, including 8,772 meters of drilling. Holes assayed for copper-nickel only include hole 54017 in zone L13, which intersected 61 meters of 1.01% copper equivalent, including 13.1 meters of 2.06% copper equivalent, and hole 49182, which intersected 20.91 meters of 1.63% copper equivalent. These holes were located in platinum group elements areas and would likely have a higher copper equivalent if assayed for PGEs. Holes assayed for PGEs with low-grade copper-nickel include hole LH0102, which intersected 42 meters of 1.756 grams per ton platinum equivalent, hole LH0106, which intersected 81.3 meters of 1.196 grams per ton palladium equivalent, and hole LH0105, which intersected 17 meters of 1.86 grams per ton palladium equivalent. 2 wider intersections include hole LH0106, which intersected 220.6 meters of 0.56% copper equivalent or 0.956 grams per ton palladium equivalent, and hole LH0105, which intersected 151.6 meters of 0.57% copper equivalent or 0.971 grams per ton palladium equivalent. Greg Farron, CEO, stated, "The acquisition of W2 was completed on attractive terms to enhance shareholder value. The W2 project has tremendous exploration potential and will experience reevaluation both through additional exploration and discoveries and from improving access and infrastructure of the region. The acquisition also complements Platinex's net smelter royalty portfolio, in which the company holds numerous royalties located in Ontario mining camps. I would also like to welcome Robin Webster to the Platinex team. Robin has a strong track record in northwestern Ontario in exploration and community development work and was previously the CEO of Gold Eye Explorations Limited. Robin will continue to manage the W2 project." To acquire the property, Platinex issued 3,625,000 shares to Springer Mineral Resources, paid $25,000 in cash, and granted Springer an NSR of up to 2%, with an additional $25,000 to be paid in 90 days. Platinex might pay an additional $300,000, of which $225,000 can be paid in shares if certain milestones are achieved. Platinex also owns a 100% interest in the 225 square kilometer Shining Tree Gold property in the Abitibi Gold province of Ontario, which is world-renowned for gold. The Shining Tree project covers over 21 kilometers of the Rideout Tyrrell deformation zone that trends as far west as Newmont's Borden mine, through the area of IM Gold's Cote Gold deposit, directly through Platinex's Shining Tree Gold property, and on Aris Gold's Juby project. The company also has royalties on gold, PGE, and base metal properties in Canada and Chile. The shares are trading at 5 cents. For more information, please visit the company's website, platinex.com. Contact Greg Farron, CEO, at 416-270-5042 or by email at gfarron@platinex.com. I'm Mary Lou Proudfoot for Investment Pitch Media.